There we are. Light. A star. Oh, a car. Steer. Not too far. Oh, I didn't know where you want to go. And then you go really quickly and fast, and then you steer this way and you fast. And you say, ooh, the mind travels fast. And then you slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Right here, conversations to another universe, another gateway. Don't jump too far in, they say. I say, I'll do what I may. Ah, victory. Victory, you could say. Victory over all the boorishness, all the lowbrow, the higher. Defeats the sow. Now, eternally. Twine together the logic and refine, you could say, what I was within another day. Rebirth of your worth on earth, as it should be, as it might be on heaven. Who's to know? Heaven knows. Heaven knows. I don't know sometimes. You question yourself. You question others. You question brothers and sisters, and you can be presumptuous of their nature. But then again, nature has many sides, facets, there's no there's no the ancient profession, no longer tragic. The 21st century. Water equals metamorphosis. Metamorphosize. Where no names, no numbers, just slumbers and faces that show you graces, and others that disown the humankind. When it all synchronizes, I find something revealing. Perhaps I'm a psychic. Perhaps not. Who knows? No injury, and then I forgot. Why were you analyzing? What were you analyzing? What is genuine analysis? Face to face. Calmness, the ability to listen, to know those who listen back, to front, you could say, you surge forth This is my stream. When the stream is not interrupted, it seems so seamless, dreamless. Transcend. Tend on the immortal significance that you sometimes believe you have. I think that's better. That's greater. Are you sure when you say that? Are you sure when you say the word? What word did I say? The word before the other one. I don't know which one. When you play within the play, you show the soliloquy beside the aside, and you know the monologue is inner dialogue with yourself. I thought you knew that. That's outer wealth. Within the earth. Did you hear? Did you fear? Sometimes they denounce the modern. And then, and how? Allow to bow to the bow of your lips as we tenderly drip our emotion and feeling, mathematically forgetting, knowing all the physics, our biological spirituality combining both together with no ultimatums. And you breathe, you breathe, you harmonize, you are what? You are, heart, oh you are. The genuine stream of consciousness, I said, of me, of I repeat and sigh. Was that contrived? Who knows? Do you care? I don't know. It blows through your second mouth. Ominous or just harmonious sensuality. Sensuous like the flowers. Who said they're sensuous? Some say they're overstating the wilderness. To see heaven in a tame flower. Yes. I promised I wouldn't arrive. I would strive for something where the origin of all of those nows would find itself through the canals, the streams, those unwritten dreams that seem so real when you walk through somewhere and you touch and you feel like it was so. Like I was there. Simile to a metaphor, similar to a simile, metaphorically speaking. I figuratively figured it out. I'm on a matter of peers, phonetically saying. You can sometimes bore what shoots through an arrow. Another arrow keeps going. To find, to know, to repeat and know. Yes, we go, ascend, we send, to know why we are here. Om, 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 Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. No coffee. It disrupts sometimes. What you drink will make you think somehow. Blurry, flurry. You go all obscurey. You need clarity. Crystal. How do I look? Like a Wallace? I am a Wallace. When you Wallace a Wallace, what do? You can only show your light. And before I sneeze, I shall walk through the breeze within a house to know that life is here, a sense of life, a sense of worth. My rebirth ignites tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow. What a day. When a night talks backwards, you sometimes know, forwardly seeking. I know I'm speaking the truth, eternal youth. Now, should I be in the theater? Should I be in film? Or shall I just show this as a written book? A stream of consciousness for the 21st century. Maybe I could do all three. No ultimatums after all. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I see. I see. I see. I see. See.